Hello there, and thanks for your interest in learning more about Vidyard. To set the stage, we began as an innovative video startup back in 2010, before videos were such high performers. I mean, outside of our good old-fashioned music videos, of course.
As the need for video in business grew, so did we. That meant adding competitive features, powerful integrations, and thought leadership that positioned us as a top video platform for businesses.
All that to say, we love video and we know video. We use it across all facets of our own business. We're dedicated to helping organizations of all sizes humanize their communications, personalize their customer experiences, and succeed with video.
We get it. For a lot of us, being on or even behind the camera can be daunting. And we know that adopting any new technology is tough for teams. With Vidyard, we've built our product to be intuitive and available anywhere you work, and with the tools teams already use. When it comes to recording videos, Vidyard is accessible and user-friendly. Our plugin integrates with Chrome, Edge, Gmail, and Outlook, making it easy to incorporate video into daily activities and outreach. And with great features like pause and trim, you can take a second to regroup mid-recording, or edit out those little mistakes after you're done. Our notes feature also comes in handy for helping speakers stay on script and to remember to hit the high points. For marketing teams, Vidyard makes uploading, organizing, and sharing video content simple, whether you're adding videos to your website, marketing campaign, or social media channels. And branding stays on point with customizable landing pages, end screens, and calls to action. Vidyard knows video, and our team is dedicated to helping you succeed. From onboarding and best practices to templates and resources, we've laid the framework to easily incorporate video across your team and processes. We cover everything from setting up your workspace for the best viewing experience to building a winning video strategy for sales and marketing, and so much more.
Vidyard has been passionate about video's impact long before it was considered a necessity. We've studied the trends, partnered with industry experts, and developed materials to help businesses succeed and drive results through the power of video. Customers trust us knowing this is our area of focus and expertise. Our solution is built from the ground up for marketing and sales teams looking for a creative way to connect with buyers and generate more business. With Vidyard, you're getting more than just a video hosting and messaging tool. Our solution provides enhanced features like video analytics, top-tier integrations, and in-video calls to action, helping our customers better engage viewers, track insights, and truly understand how video is working for their business. And we can't forget to mention that customers rave about our best-in-class support. The Vidyard team is always here to share their extensive knowledge and ensure the platform works best for everyone's unique goals and processes.
We love a solid tech stack and understand the importance of working seamlessly with the tools you already use. That's why Vidyard has positioned itself at the core of your workflow, whether you're considering Vidyard to power your video marketing, video selling, or both. With key integrations like Salesforce, Marketo, SalesLoft, and Outreach, you're able to provide a more engaging and cohesive prospect journey that you can easily track and measure across your entire tech stack. We also play great with email platforms such as Google and Outlook, leading sales tools like Gong and Alice, and social platforms like Facebook and LinkedIn. All to ensure video can become a seamless part of how you engage your prospects and customers.
Our plans are broken into pillars to support individual contributors and teams. We encourage you to think about where you and your business currently sit when it comes to overall video comfort and strategy before selecting a plan. As your video strategy grows, your success metrics will evolve, and Vidyard has different plans to help you achieve success at every stage. Let's start with our free plan. If you're working solo and just getting started with video, we encourage you to start here. It provides the basics for video recording and sharing with a cap on the number of videos you can create. For those that are a bit more comfortable with video and need added flexibility and features, the Pro plan will be a better fit. But the power of Vidyard really happens when you start to bring your teams together on the same business plan. You can share content, get rich analytics on video and team performance, and start connecting your tech stack. Users of our business packages especially love the ability to centrally manage their users, standardize the look and feel of their video sharing pages, fully customize calls to action, and leverage more security options. So when you're ready to use video as part of your overall strategy and truly measure the impact and ROI of video, this is where you'd want to be. You can check out our pricing page for a full overview of our plans and features.
Data security is a top priority here at Vidyard. We are dedicated to keeping your content safe and continuously monitoring compliance efforts and industry standards. We do this by maintaining our SOC 2 certification and staying GDPR compliant. We offer airtight admin and user-level security features such as password protection, playback restrictions, and single sign-on. Our Theta Lake integration helps automate the compliance review process and ensure videos are meeting regulatory and corporate requirements. And when it comes to accessibility, you can add closed captioning, descriptive audio, and more to ensure your videos can be enjoyed by all audiences.
Thanks again for taking the time to learn more about Vidyard. Our team is always here and happy to discuss any questions you have. We look forward to chatting soon.